Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Blythe, and I'm here from the TIPS team with this week's tutorial video. To start you off with the school year, our topic today is all about SchoolZone. It's a refresher and a reminder with a few tips and tricks to support you with your school-to-home communication. Here's a sample login screen when you log in as a teacher. This is your place to post classroom news to your parents for your students, as well as parents are then able to access school news, as well as division news and updates from their trustees. There are multiple reasons for parents to be accessing SchoolZone for one child or for all of their children across the division. It is important to remember that SchoolZone is our EPSB division standard tool for school-to-home communication. You as a teacher can make a schedule for posting on the platform and then be predictable. In this way, parents know when to expect your updates and they're more likely to engage with you. You can encourage your parents to bookmark the website on their mobile phone so it becomes more like an app and they can get the regular updates. A few other tips to share with you are to post items for parents to support your classroom culture in the online environment. Here's a few examples. You could post the responsible use of technology agreement. Make this a living document with frequent reminders of how you and your students are going to use technology for teaching and learning. You can support this with some digital literacy learning through the Google Guardian guides. Here's a sample on the right where parents can go and learn about all of the Google apps that their student is using at school. And then you can wrap around and post some family and parent resources to develop digital citizenship skills. Be sure to visit our TIPS website for the digital citizenship page with more examples. There is a new update to the Google Classroom Guardian summaries, the emails that parents can subscribe to through Google Classroom that come to their email. There's a new tutorial video coming explaining all the updates. In the meantime, it's important to note that any item posted under the classwork stream in Google Classroom with a due date will also be posted in SchoolZone. This really helps with congruent parent messaging from Google Classroom straight into SchoolZone. If you're looking for more information on how to get started using SchoolZone or a refresher from some things that you might not have used in a while, be sure to search for SchoolZone on Connect, where you will find templates, guides, info sheets, and even a communications toolkit. That's all for this week. Setting the stage for our weekly updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Check back every week as they're also posted on our TIPS PL calendar, and reach out to your TIPS member. We want to connect with you and support technology integration in your classroom. Here's to a great start to the school year.